the last class.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay, you can
Yes,
copy
ma'am.
this down. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And yeah, so today we'll be starting a new chapter. We have only one question left that we will be doing today, and then we are done. Okay. Quickly note it down, Priyanka. I hope you got it, right? So it was find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter, right? So over here, length is 40 centimeter, diagonal is 41 centimeter, right? So diagonal is given here. So length is also given. So from here, you will find the breadth, which is x. Yes, using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And once you got the x, you have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2L plus B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what you have to do. That's it. Okay. So quickly note it down and then we will be starting. We will be doing the last question and then we will are done. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only Priyanka has to do it. Others has already did it. So no problem with others.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give you the next question, students. Okay. This is the last question of this chapter and then we are done. So quickly do this and then we'll start with the new chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is the same?
Yeah. Think about it. The diagonal of a rhombus measures 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Okay, so I will draw the diagram for you people so that it will help you people. Okay, so for
Okay,
example,
ma'am.
the rhombus. Okay, so these are diagonals. Yes. So one diagonal is for 16 centimeter and one is for 30. So for example, this one is 16 centimeter and this one is 30 centimeter. Okay, so the half of 16 is 8 and 8. Yes. And this 30, 15 and 15. You have to find the perimeter.
Ma'am, should we have to find the half of 16 and 30?
Yes, see, for example, this is 16, so this is 8 and this is also 8.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And this one is 13, so this one is 15 and this one is 15. Now you have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, what you people should know? You should know this one, right? This, 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 and this. Only then you can add it and you will find the perimeter, right? So in this
Yes,
scenario,
ma'am.
for example, you take this one, A, B, C, and D, and O. Okay, so for example, if you take this one, A, B, and O. So over here you have 15, you have 8. You don't have this. Can you find it with the help of right angle triangle? The Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you will find this. Okay. And similarly, once you got this one, it will be same for the others, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody has finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who will tell me the answer? So what you got for
Ma'am,
baby?
Ma'am,
Pyth-
60 centimeter.
Pythagoras theorem.
16
8
or 17?
centimeter.
Ma'am, Pythagoras theorem property, right?
Yes. So 8,
Yeah.
8 square plus 15 square, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So 8 square is 64
64
plus
Yes.
to
225.
225.
5.
So 225 plus 64 is
289.
Yes, ma'am.
289 is the square root of
17.
17.
70. Yes. So you have one side 17. Now you have to find, this is 17. So this will be also 17. This will be also 17. This will be 17. So you have two methods. Either you can multiply 17 with 4 or 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17. Yes. So what will be the perimeter?
Ma'am,
Yes.
60.
Yes, 68 centimeters. Okay, so those who did it wrong, quickly correct it, and then we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I hope everybody has finished, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me just check which chapter we have to start today. We have to start visualizing solid shape. Abu Bakar, Harmain, and Priyanka. I think visualizing solid shape is coming in your exam, right, Harmain?
Yes, ma'am. But it's so easy chapter,
Okay, so
and
what?
it's very small.
Okay, and asymmetry is also coming.
Symmetry, no.
Asymmetry, anyone? Priyanka and Abu Bakar? Priyanka, you got the syllabus? No? Priyanka, I can't hear you. Okay. So Harmain, I will be scheduling few extra classes with you. Okay, let me just
Yes,
ask them.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because today we'll be starting with visualizing solid shape because they haven't done it. Okay. And
Yes,
others,
ma'am.
other one we will be like I will be scheduling our classes with you.
Yeah, ma'am. So when we will do lines and angles?
Yes. Lines and angle I have finished in the class, but for you I will keep the extra class.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So let's just start, students. Okay. So over here, who joined? Okay, Priyanka joined. I was just waiting for her. Okay. So we are going to start a new chapter today, which is visualizing solid shape. So first we will make few notes and on the basis of that we'll be starting. So the figure which we can draw on a flat surface are called plane figure. So any figure which you can draw on the plane surface, flat surface, that is a plane figure. They have two dimension, length and breadth. Hence they are called 2D, which is two dimensional shape like triangles, square, circle, right? Now, solid figures which has three dimension. So the figure which has three dimension like length, breadth and height are called three dimension. They occupy some space like the ball, box and tube. So sphere, cylinder, pyramid, they are 3D shape. Okay, clear everybody? So in case if for one marker the question comes circle is a 3D shape. So you will say no because it has only one the circumference, right? So that it doesn't have any height or something. So that's why it is 2D, right? If I have asked cylinder is a 3D or 2D shape, so you will say ma'am it's a 3D shape because it has a height as well, length, breadth and height. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, for example, this is a box. Okay. So the corners, right? These corners are basically the vertex. Okay. This side is called edge. Okay. And over here, this part is called face. Okay. So faces, all the flat surface of 3D figures are the face of that shape, right? Flat surface. The faces of 3D shapes are made up of 2D shapes. H, the line segment where the faces of 3D shape meets, right? Over here, you can see this, right? This face is meeting with the another face, this one. It's called edge. And the corner of the point where edge meet. See, where faces are meeting, that is known as edge. Where edges are meeting, that is known as vertex. Clear? The singular form of vertex is vertex. So vertex is basically vertices and the single form is vertex. Now after this, this is very important. Cube, it has 6. Okay, first write down this. Okay, from here, just don't write revision notes, just write notes. Okay, and then we'll start.
Ma'am, should we draw?
Yes, normally.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you go down? Ma'am, can you go down? Ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody has finished. Harmain and Abu Bakr, you have also finished.
Ma'am, actually this lesson is done in my school, so nothing is there to write for me.
Okay. So you just read it out. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, in WhatsApp, if you don't mind, can you send this
Okay.
one
I'll
note?
ask you, counselor. Yes. Okay. Once I finish this, I'll just share it with you because this is the entire PDF. Okay. Okay. So now, Abu Bakr, you are there. You are done with this. Okay. Now cube. How do we make a cube? We make it like this. Two squares and then join it. Okay, so this is cube. And how do we make cuboid? Two rectangles, then join it. Done. Okay. So over here, cone, sphere, cylinder, square, base, pyramid. Okay. So you have to just learn that cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and vertex. Okay, like this. Okay, so you people will draw this and you have to learn this for 1 method.
Ma'am, can you go down? Ma'am, can I go down?
Okay, that's it till here. Okay. Now next for building 3D shapes. So if we draw a structure of 2D form and fold it, it makes a 3D shape when it's said to be net of that figure. Okay. So 2D and when converted to 3D, you will say it is a net figure of that. Different figure have different type of net. We can open a 3D shape from a edge to get the net of the figure like this. So you will open it. For example, this is the part. If you will open it like this will be the net. Okay, so you can see this is a rectangular prism, this is pyramid, this is cylinder, and this is cone. You just open it and this is a net. Now drawing solid on a flat surface, 2D presentation of 3D shape. So as you know, the 3D shapes are the shape which occupy some space, but we can draw the 3D shapes on the flat surface only by some techniques. So this is called visual illusion. So it is only possible to draw on the flat surface through visual illusion. First, oblique sketch. How do we make it? Like this. So when we draw a shape in such a way that we are not able to see some of the faces of 3D shape and the size of the length is not equal, we are able to recognize that this is the cube. This is called an oblique sketch. Okay, so first we need to make the square 2 multiplied by 2. Got it on a grid. Draw the opposite face of the same size, this. Now join them. I already told you this, and then draw oppositely this, and then join it. Yes. So now what you have to remember? The front and the back faces are of same size. So this one and this one, they should be same. It's not like that you are taking this one, and this you are taking the smaller one. No. They should be both. This one and this one, they should be same. All the edges are appearing as of the same length. So over here, edge also. It's not like that over here you took like this and over here you're taking like this. No. All the edges should also be same. Okay, so this is called oblique sketches. Now coming to the next one. Okay, first write till here, then we'll move. So first write this net of this till here.